In this video, I will show you how to install the off-road dongle for Yamaha Tenere700 with the black and white LCD screen. First thing that you have to do is dismounting the seat. Next, you have to locate the diagnostic plug. Here there is a 6-pin red diagnostic plug, EURO5. Or older versions have the EURO4 white 4-pin diagnostic plug. The second thing is dismounting this cover. There are 3 screws and one rubber pin on which this cover is holding. Here is the plug for rear ABS, so just disconnect it. And now you have to connect the off-road dongle to these 2 plugs and the diagnostic plug. Then place the dongle on this empty holder. The dongle is placed here on this place. Here is connected diagnostic connector, and here is connected ABS connectors. Installation takes maybe 5 minutes, and it's really very simple. Only connecting 2 connectors and routing wires.